How to transfer funds from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. Hey guys, today I will show you how to transfer funds from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes when done correctly. First, download and set up the Phantom Wallet app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Once your account is ready, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the homepage. Tap the receive button, then search for Solana in the cryptocurrency list and select it. Copy the deposit address shown on your screen. This is crucial, so make sure you get the entire address correctly. Now switch to your Phantom Wallet app on the home screen. Locate and tap the send button. From the cryptocurrency list, select Solana and paste the Robinhood address you copied earlier. Click next, then enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Be sure you have enough balance in your Phantom wallet to cover both the transfer amount and any transaction fees. After verifying everything, click next again to confirm the transfer. The transaction will process, but don't expect instant results. Network congestion can cause delays. You can check the status in both apps to monitor progress. When the transfer completes, your Solana will be available in your Robinhood wallet. This method works specifically for Solana, but the process is similar for other cryptocurrencies. Just make sure you're using compatible networks on both sides. If you encounter any issues, double check that you've selected the correct cryptocurrency and that the address was copied completely. A single missing character can cause the transaction to fail or worse, send funds to the wrong destination. Please like and subscribe